Hello everyone, it's Maria with Angelfish Design. Today I have a little package to share with you. This is an ephemera kit, and it coordinates beautifully with the Woodland journal that I shared with you earlier. So this little pocket is made from some paper, some music paper, you'll see that when I open it, and this fabric is sewed onto it. I have this little piece of ephemera on the back because it didn't fit in the pouch, but I did want to include it. And that has this beautiful woodland imagery and some journaling space on the back. I was inspired to make this little envelope pouch by Pink Oddbird here on YouTube. She does fantastic work, and I really liked these little pouches that she made. It has this string closure with a little leaf on the end, and a little fern and eyelet holds that together, so you just wrap it around and then wrap it around that closure. And I've included a little bit of lace here on the edge. And you open up and you see it has the music paper inside and all these goodies. Okay. So the first piece is just a little bit of ephemera, some little flowers and some lace, and tulle, and just some few scraps, so that's fun to put in a journal. This is a hidden paper clip, cute and embellished, and this tiny tag, it's a little stamped mushroom on it, and this is another paper clip. This one has a cute little hidden card there for a photo or some journaling, and a pretty little owl. And one of my typed words says forest. And a little card. I printed these digitals directly onto some cardstock. This was some Tim Holtz cardstock. And the digital kit I used was from Christine's Craft Addict on Etsy. And I will leave that link to her shop below. These are really pretty. It was a journal kit, a digital journal kit, and just such pretty imagery. So that's that. And this is another paper clip. You can see there that I've altered, and that's holding 3 more little cards. Journal on the back, or even on the front. There's some space here. And they all, if you can see that, I have them edged with some gold paint as well. It was a nice little touch. And then we have this pretty bird journal card. And this very large tag. It's beautiful mushrooms. And it has one of my hand-drawn labels and then the typed word. And this, I just had so much fun making these little tabs with the silk flowers and just little bits of thread. And I even put a little bit of gold on the end of that. Some washi tape. I added a bit of distressed embossing powder on the edges, and this is similar to one of these little embellishments, so I just added that to the bottom of the tag, and it has the children's writing paper on the back with a cute little mushroom stamp. And this is another large tag. Again, the tab has some flowers. This again is another kind of embellishment like that at the bottom. They work very well for that type. And it's just the cardstock on the back. And then this is fun. All of this I made for Dear Julie. Julie has hosts a journaling challenge, a junk journal challenge every month, and I made all of this for one of her challenges. And she calls this a double bank pocket or envelope, something like that. And she got the idea from the type of bank pocket that you get when you go through the drive-thru at the bank, and they give you your money. They put the cash in one section and your change in the other. So she got that idea. So I have some goodies in here, but I want to show you the pocket first. So this is how the pocket is. It has the first section and then the second section there. And I have some of that children's writing paper on the inside again, and it is, of course, this beautiful digital journal paper. And I added a little bit of extra lines on the back. I just drew those on there, so you can do some more journaling on that if you like. I've included 10 vintage tickets for you to embellish a journal with. Here is another journaling card Just a really simple one to go in there, tucks in the back. And then this one is fun. This is a little tablet, little note paper book. So it has, again, one of those beautiful images on it and a bit of embellishment there. It has cardstock for the back. And then it has all the pages inside. And I put some paint on the edge, so I think my edges are sticking a little. There we go. So they're all just the blank pages there for you to have some more journaling space or use as a little list book. Okay, and that's everything that is included in there. Again, it coordinates perfectly with my Woodland journal if you'd like to have the two together, or it would be beautiful in another journal that you already have maybe, or to use however you like for your scrapbooking or art journaling, etc. So that is everything, and I hope you have enjoyed this share, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.